Now in the corporate area, some public passenger vehicle operators and commuters alike have described the fare increase as unfair and for different reasons. Jamaica Maitland reports.
Taxi operators at the Mandela Park in Halfway Tree looking at the Transport Authority's fare table published in the Jamaica Gleaner. For route taxi drivers here, they have not increased the fare. Notably, the fare is $130, but according to commuters, they've been charging $150 since 2021. Hackney driver Morgan carries commuters from Halfway Tree to the University of the West Indies.
I just feel say fare charge there are two bills and done. You see me? Right now, I $150 me I charge here because they say if you charge more that they will lock you up and it will cost you $100 and rate.
The fare, according to the Transport Authority, is really $740. But he, like many other Hackney drivers, have been operating as route taxis.
How them calculate the taxi fares that they use, like distance traveled and base rate and so. How you feel about that? None of that going to use?
Yeah, well, leave the part to them, make them do for them things.
You have your sign on the door now. Tell me what I want on the door.
No, that's a message. Just leave the part to them.
The operators, while welcoming the increase, say the rates are not justified based on the distance traveled.
The drivers say come April, when the second phase become effective, they will be increasing their fares. And some of them say they won't be using the rubric by the Transport Authority.
Drivers in Montego Bay St. James are calling for the rubric used to calculate the fare to be revisited.
16 kilometers go to Hilton and 20 go to Spot Valley. Fare if you go to Hilton, them charge $230. You understand me I say to you? If you go to Spot Valley now, the man them put you at $250. You get me I say to you? So I say, boy, if you do extra 4 kilometers, the man them give you $20 to do extra 4 kilometers. Me not think that right. That is very much unfair.
Unfair, it's also how the commuters feel. Ms. Wheeler revealed that although the authority indicated that $250 is the fare from Falmouth to Montego Bay, drivers are charging their own rate. It's $300 at nights.
$260. I yesterday in the day I pay $250, so they need to regulate it.
And what about the children in uniform, the disabled and senior citizens who are supposed to pay half price?
It's hard, it's tough, and everybody can't find it. Not true. It's only elderly people them.
The next phase of the fare increase will take effect on April 1, 2024. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.